It's a very, very special moment for us as we welcome our Honorable Minister of State for Home, Rural Housing, School Education, Mining and Cooperation, Government of Maharashtra, and the Guardian Minister of Wardha and Bandara districts. Respected Honorable Dr. Pankaj Boyer, sir. Sir, with folded hands, tahe dil se aapka swagat hai. Ladies and gentlemen, an accomplished academician with a master's degree and doctorate in economics, Dr. Boyer began his professional journey as a professor and principal before dedicating himself to public service. A three-time elected member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, he is widely respected for his visionary leadership and people-centric governance. He has spearheaded transformative initiatives in housing, infrastructure development, education, rural connectivity, water supply, tribal rehabilitation, women's entrepreneurship, and citizen-centric governance, which consistently promoting transparency, innovation, and inclusive growth. His commitment to strengthening institutions and improving public service delivery has earned him widespread recognition across Maharashtra. This evening, on behalf of FADA, with folded hands, ladies and gentlemen, may we please have a thunderous applause. Maharashtra Rajyache, Mananiya Rajya Mantri, Dr. Pankaj Boyer Sahib. आपल्या आजच्या कार्यक्रमातील उपस्थितीमुळे आम्हा सर्वांना अतिशय आनंद होत आहे. आपले मनपूर्वक स्वागत, हार्दिक अभिनंदन आणि या कार्यक्रमासाठी आपले सहर्ष स्वागत आहे, स्वागत आहे, स्वागत आहे. देवियों सज्जनों, मैं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी हमारी फ्रेटर्निटी ऑफ FADA to kindly accompany our distinguished dignitary, our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, on stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, with us, President, FADA, Mr. C.S. Vigneshwarji, Vice President, FADA, Mr. Sai Giridharji, Secretary, FADA, Mr. Amar Sethji, Treasurer, Mr. Pradeep Agarwalji. A humble request to our Chairperson, FADA Maharashtra, Mr. Sachin Mahajanji, our CEO, FADA, Mr. Saharsh Damaniji, to kindly accompany our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Pankaj Boyer Sahib. मनापासून खरंच स्वागत आहे. Humble thanks to you, Honorable Minister. बस इसी पल का इंतज़ार था. सर, आपके आने से यहाँ पे बहुत रोशनी हो गई है. तहे दिल से आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं हम. मैं प्लीज़ हमारी ब्यूटीफुल फैमिली ऑफ FADA से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी to kindly felicitate our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra. And ladies and gentlemen, a very special moment as मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी to have a standing ovation, please, for our Honorable Minister of State. Thank you very much. On behalf of the beautiful fraternity of FADA, मैं प्लीज़ हमारे Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Pankaj Boyer साहब से प्लीज़ रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कुछ शब्द फरमाएं प्लीज़. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
FADA द्वारा आयोजित इस फाइनेंस एंड इंश्योरेंस समिट 2026 में यहाँ उपस्थित सभी मान्यवरों का मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। विशेष तौर से विघ्नेश्वर जी और मेरे फ्रेंड सचिन महाजन जी, जिन्होंने मुझे इसके बारे में 2 साल पहले बताया था कि FADA द्वारा हर साल एक इवेंट कंडक्ट किया जाता है और लगभग सारे डीलर्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया हम लोग यहाँ मिलके कुछ नया इनोवेटिव करने की कोशिश करते। तो इस कॉन्क्लेव में मैं आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत करता हूँ। आने वाले समय में डीलर्स का इम्पोर्टेंट और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बढ़ते जाएगा, क्योंकि मार्केट के प्रोडक्ट देखते हुए और कंपटीशन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंपनियों में हो रही है और लोगों को भी एक नए नए प्रोडक्ट मिल रहे हैं। अभी मैं कुछ डायरेक्टर्स के साथ बैठा था तो उन्होंने बोला कि आने वाले समय में गाड़ियों के व्हीकल्स के प्राइजेस भी उसमें कम हो जाएंगे, तो ये कॉमन पब्लिक के लिए बहुत फायदे की बात वहाँ हो जाएगी। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र हमेशा बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड रही है, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हम लोग स्टेट में अवेलेबल करके दे रहे हैं। जिस तरीके से नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने विकसित भारत 2047 का सपना देखा है, उसी डायरेक्शन में स्टेट को बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे सीएम श्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस भी कोशिश करे। आज हम देख रहे हैं कि जितने भी इन्वेस्टमेंट कॉन्क्लेव्स है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये हमारी स्टेट में और हमारी मुंबई में होने जा रही है। मैं आप लोगों का भी अभिनंदन करता हूं कि FADA द्वारा इसको कुछ हद तक आप लोगों ने भी कोशिश की है। ज़रूर हम FADA और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र कुछ कोलैबोरेशन करके अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं तो आने वाले समय में उसका फ़ायदा होगा। कोऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट भी मेरे तरफ में है और ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फाइनेंस और इंश्योरेंस का समिट है तो कोऑपरेशन में भी हम लोग बहुत सारे चेंजेस वहाँ कर रहे हैं। सेंटर में जो अभी तक कोऑपरेशन नाम का सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट नहीं था, बट फ्रॉम 2021 वी स्टार्टेड अ सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट फॉर कोऑपरेशन और बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस को उसमें हम लोगों ने ऐड किया हुआ है। फाडा द्वारा आयोजित, FADA द्वारा आयोजित इस कॉन्क्लेव के लिए मैं आप लोगों सभी लोगों का यहाँ अभिनंदन करता हूँ और आने वाले समय में आपका जो भी कोलैबोरेशन का प्रपोजल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ में रहेगा तो हम लोग ज़रूर साथ में टाई अप करके कुछ अच्छी काम आने वाले समय में करेंगे। और आप सब लोगों का अभिनंदन करते हुए मैं मेरे 2 शब्द यहाँ खत्म करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
मैं प्लीज श्री सचिन जी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी to kindly thank our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, for his gracious presence. It's been a very special moment for us here at our 5th Finance and Insurance Summit 2026, truly the highlight of today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madam. Honorable Minister Dr. Pankaj Bhoyer, sir, I would like to thank you on behalf of the Federation of Automobile Dealers, Maharashtra, as well as our leadership team, national leadership team, for your gracious presence over here. It is indeed a pleasure to have you. In spite of the assembly being in progress, we are very, very grateful to you that you took out time to specially travel all the way long. I know most of the MLAs and ministers are very eager to go back to their home constituency. It's being a Friday evening. Everybody has already reserved their plane tickets and train tickets, but I would like to update my dealer friends that on the request of FADA, sir had cancelled his ticket and he is flying by a late night flight to Nagpur, where he belongs to. Sir, I would like to update you regarding certain things. Manish bhai, just a minute please. Thank you. Sir, I would like to draw your attention to some important features about the Maharashtra Transport Department. Sir, Maharashtra is one of the states where maximum number of faceless systems have been implemented. And it is during Devendra Fadnavis sir's tenure. He was not the chief minister, he was the deputy CM in the last government. But he started the online registration of commercial vehicles. We had requested him on behalf of FADA. This issue was pending since a very, very long time. Maharashtra is the only state to implement this in a very short period of time. Now the commercial vehicles need not be taken to the RTO for inspection. The numbers, the HSRP numbers can be obtained at the showroom just like two-wheeler as well as passenger four-wheeler segment. to tell you about the struggle for this online system. In Tamil Nadu state, FADA had to go to the High Court to bring an order. After FADA got the order, now Tamil Nadu state has started the process of implementing. I am right, Vignesh sir? Has it been implemented or is it still in progress? It is still in progress. So sir, Maharashtra, so sir, we have state chairmen from various states across Maharashtra. And Pradeep Ji Agarwal, our treasurer, was telling me in the morning, we had a discussion on CMVR, Central Motor Vehicle Regulations. After being fully involved in the discussion, Pradeep Ji mentioned one thing, that Maharashtra is a state where everybody likes to work within the legal ambit. So sir, it is the efforts of the current government under the leadership of CM Mr. Fadnavis sir and efficient ministers like you who always look towards progressive things. Sir, one request that was generated in today's discussion was that कि normally ऐसे होता है कि RTO के लोगों को हमारी डीलरशिप की जी डेमो व्हीकल्स होते हैं और बाकी व्हीकल्स होते हैं उनके बारे में जानकारी होती है. बीइंग अ होम मिनिस्टर वी वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, अगर एक जॉइंट सेशन हम पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के जो लोअर लेवल के कांस्टेबल्स है वो और आरटीओ के साथ अगर करे, क्योंकि अगर एक डेमो व्हीकल है, जैसे आपको कोई गाड़ी लेनी है और वो बाहर निकलती है टीसी प्लेट पे, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली लीगल, बट कांस्टेबल को वो पता नहीं होता है. वो बहुत बार गाड़ी को रोक लेता है, ही स्टार्ट्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द डीलरशिप पर्सन एंड द कस्टमर गेट्स प्रीटी डिस्टर्ब्ड कि ये डीलर कुछ गलत कर रहा है. So we would like your intervention if we can do a joint session. We have already requested the Transport Commissioner of Maharashtra. If you please pursue this matter, we can have a joint training session where the local police will also be made aware of the CMVR. ताकि जो legal ambit में dealer करता है उसको explain करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. And इसमें पुलिस का कोई दोष नहीं है. It is only about misinformation. जो लोअर लेवल के कांस्टेबल्स होते हैं या पीएसआई होते हैं उनको इन रूल्स के बारे में जानकारी नहीं है, किसी ने कोशिश भी नहीं करी है कि उनको क्या जानकारी देनी चाहिए. सर, एक ट्रेड सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर एक व्हीकल सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र में नहीं बल्कि पूरी इंडिया में कहीं पे भी आप ले जा सकते हो. कल को मुंबई के हमारे कोई डीलर बैठे और आप बोलेंगे मैं नागपुर में बैठा हूं, मेरे को एक BMW भेज देना या ऑटोबायोग्राफी भेज देना, मुझे ट्रायल लेनी है. It is, sir, very much legal to drive the vehicle with this TC number plate. But usually what happens is, the people on the road, the police on the road are not aware of this. So generally the vehicle is stopped, questions are asked, there is some discussion, there is some debate. तो इसके ऊपर मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आप विचार करें, and अगर एक ट्रेनिंग सेशन हो सकता है तो FADA will be more than eager to participate, sir. Rest, sir, FADA is all about learning, teaching. Today's Summit is about finance and insurance. Our retail business cannot happen without finance, and vehicles cannot be sold without insurance. So sir, this is a critical part of the FADA agenda, and this is one event that happens every year in Mumbai. It will happen every year. All other rest events happen in Delhi. We are very much thankful to the past presidents as well as the current president Vigneshwar ji, Manish ji, Sai ji, Pradeep Agarwal ji, and of course the man because of whom this is happening, Mr. Amar Seth. I mean, this is because of him that I think the finance event has come down to Mumbai. Otherwise, it could have been somewhere else. So thank you so much, Amar bhai. Thanks to Mr. Sahaj Damani, who is always there, actively involved in implementing the SOPs. I would like to thank all the state chairpersons who have come across Maharashtra for this function, because without you, there is no grace to this function. Morning session was only for the Maharashtra people, but this summit is for everybody, and you really make this event graceful. Thank you very much. Sir, last but not the least, I would really like to thank you on behalf of FADA for making your gracious presence over here. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you very much, Sachin sir, and to our beautiful family of FADA. At first, for coming to the finance capital of our country, India, we're coming to Mumbai, so thank you so much. And truly a very special moment as we like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Maharashtra Rajyache Mananiya Rajya Mantri Dr. Pankaj Bhoyer Sahib. Thank you so much. Zordar Taryancha Gajrat Apan Sarvajan. Heartfelt gratitude. Ani Dhanyavad Sangran on behalf of FADA. Thank you so much, our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to request my lovely FADA team to please make the arrangements for our next panel discussion, as we shall now welcome our distinguished panelists and the moderator for our last panel discussion before we go ahead with our prestigious honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the 5th Finance and Insurance Summit 2026, and it's time for us to move towards our next panel discussion. We've had a great day full of knowledge, और इतना सारा knowledge gain करने के बाद जैसे कि हमें अब 6 महीने और हैं इस साल को 2026, we truly will go ahead and fulfill our visions and make sure that we excel. I thank each and every one of you, because at FADA, we believe one nation, one association. And we thank all of you for this wondrous association. Ladies and gentlemen, a panel discussion on insurance and auto retail, from gaps to growth. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to welcome our distinguished panelists on the dais. May we please put our hands together for our panelists for insurance and auto retail, from gaps to growth. Welcoming Mr. Gurpreet Singh Ji, Deputy General Manager, the New India Assurance Company Limited. Thank you, sir. Mr. Neelakantan N, Executive Director, IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company Limited. Mr. Rohit Daga, Head, Motor Insurance, Extended Warranty and Auto Ninja, ICICI Lombard General Insurance. May we please welcome Mr. Subhashish Mazumdarji, President and Head, Motor Distribution, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company Limited. Mr. Suraj Vasudevji, Head, OEM and Digital Partnerships, SBI General Insurance Company Limited. Mr. Vikas Medirata, Head, MISP, Mahindra Insurance and Brokers Limited, MIBL. Welcoming the moderator for this panel, Mr. Bharat Choldia, FADA, Executive Committee and Governing Council, to please join us here. And there's a very special announcement for all our Thank you very much to our distinguished panelists. Now there's something very special for all the distinguished panelists, लेकिन फिलहाल राज को राज रखते हैं, फाश नहीं करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to kindly at first request, sir, just allow me 1 minute, you can please take your seat. I'm going to please request President FADA, Mr. C.S. Vigneshwarji, to kindly join us here on stage. And a very special honor, जो हमारा भारतीय ट्रेडिशन है, हमारे परंपरा के अनुसार हम प्लीज स्वागत करना चाहेंगे our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra. I'm going to kindly request once again our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Pankaj Bohra Sahib, to kindly join us here on stage. सर पहले आपका स्वागत हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति और परंपरा के अनुसार आपका स्वागत है. Distinguished panelists, वैसे आप सबका स्वागत होता है पोस्ट द पैनल डिस्कशन, लेकिन आपकी मुस्कुराहट से आप सब समझ गए. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आई मीन इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल मोमेंट. हम प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे हमारे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट, Government of Maharashtra, to kindly present the token of love and memento to all our distinguished panelists. तो मैं आपके नाम पुकारना चाहूंगी. Please join us here and receive this honor from our Honorable Minister of State. A great moment, Mr. Gurpreet Singh Ji, Mr. Neelakantan Ji. In no particular order, I'm just going as per the names taken. Mr. Rohit Daga Ji. Please request the felicitation for Mr. Subhaishish Mazumdar Ji. Mr. Suraj Vasudev Ji. I can see the smile and the laughter on everyone's face. It's a very special feeling. Mr. Vikas Medidatta Ji. Mr. Bharat Chodia Ji. But I can see हमारे साथ गुरप्रीत सिंह जी आ रहे हैं. शुक्रिया सर जी. Yes, sir. Very much. Absolutely, sir. We make sure that all our distinguished panelists and the moderator is being felicitated, and then मैं request करना चाहूँगी हमारे honorable minister से कृपया आप center पर आ जाएं. Right after one more felicitation, we have one more felicitation. It's done? Sure. Honorable Minister, आप please center में अगर आ जाएंगे please, और हमारी beautiful family of FADA to please join us in the center. Ladies and gentlemen, a very special moment indeed. May we all have a thunderous applause this moment, ladies and gentlemen, at our 5th Finance and Insurance Summit 2026, which has been by the gracious presence of our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Pankaj Bohra Sahib. Our humble thanks to our Honorable Minister for doing the honors on the dais for our distinguished panelists. And our panelists are going to take a breather. After the felicitation, we're going to come back to our session. And I'm going to please request our moderator, Mr. Bharat Chodia, sir, to kindly proceed ahead. Sir, you can please take the podium as well, wherever you're comfortable. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Just a sec, please. Yes. Oh, it's an honor for us. May we please request all our state chairpersons from all across India to kindly join us here to have a fabulous picture with the Honorable Minister. By his permission, sir, aapki ijazat chahenge, please, one lovely photo op. May we please have all our chairpersons of all the states of Hamare Khoobsurat Bharat Desh, India, to please join us here for a lovely photo op. We thank all our chairpersons of state for joining us here at Mumbai. for our 5th Finance and Insurance Summit 2026 FADA. Thank you. Please join us. Please join us. We'll all come in a straight line. It's a beautiful moment indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Financing, insurance, compliance, partnership, growth. One nation, one association. What a blessing to have our Honorable Minister of State, Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Pankaj Bhoyer Sahib, give us his valuable time in spite of his very busy schedule. He's truly postponed his flight tickets to Nagpur just to be with us at FADA. We are truly thankful to you on behalf of FADA. Heartfelt thanks and gratitude with folded hands to our Honorable Minister. Thank you so much. Thank you, Honorable Minister of State, for your valuable time. Thank you.